and warm welcome to this particular online platform for your semester first for the first year BSc course. On behalf of the college, I will welcome once again to you all to this degree college to acquire the knowledge and to uplift your career and bright your future. You chosen this college for your that particular graduate purpose and or say you can say degree of the graduation you are supposed to be acquire. Today this is an first lecture for your that particular academic year and the semester 1. As you are aware regarding that there are the 7 papers you already seen in the prospectus for this particular semester 1. I will talk about just all these papers and what will be the pattern and all these things. Okay, now we are in the era of the online, but we don't know after the Diwali vacation the college will get started. After the Diwali vacation the college will get starts and the physical college will be there. Then what will be the nature and all these things, the time decides all these things. Before that, if it is online, then online examination will be in the different manner and the pattern. Now I will talk on the both the ways, both the things that are the physical as well as the online. As you are aware, I said there are the 7 papers for this semester. First, I will start with this foundation course FC. In the FC, that one paper is there. I think so 5 units will be there. Okay. There is a exam pattern for the FC is a 75-25. Means in the physical examination is the offline mode. I am talking first of all. Then we will come to the online mode. In the offline mode, there is a that particular 75-25 means 25 marks for the project, or you can call it as an internal. Okay, and the 75 marks external paper will be there based on the syllabus for this semester. All you have got the syllabus for this semester? Anybody can tell? Anybody can speak? Unmute yourself. Aditi said that you got the syllabus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think on the WhatsApp group the syllabus is forwarded
Yes,
by the group.
sir.
Okay. Thank you. See, have you written? Have you started to write that syllabus for the each paper? There should be the separate notebook. 7 papers are there. 7 notebooks should be there. Okay. First is a foundation course. The syllabus of the foundation course you supposed to write in that book in the starting of that particular notebook. Okay, on the very first page of the book you have to write the syllabus for this semester only. In the syllabus copy, yes, in that syllabus is there for both the semester, but out of that you have to write the syllabus for this semester 1 only. Okay, FC foundation course, I said in the physical it is an 75 external examination and the 25 marks project or say internal examination, right? Then the subject is the chemistry. In the chemistry there are the 2 papers, paper 1 and the paper 2. Paper 1 is for the 100 mark, paper 2 is for the 100 marks, and practical is there for the paper 1 50 marks is there, and for the paper 2 50 marks is there. Same case is applicable for the botany. For the botany again there are the 2 papers, paper 1 paper 2. 100 marks theory paper will be there for the each paper, and 50 marks practical for the each paper for the botany. Same case is applicable for the physics and zoology. So some student have the physics, some student have the zoology. Okay, same pattern is there as the chemistry and the botany. Okay, I think so you got all these things, the total marks for this paper and all these things. 1000 marks exam is there in the physical mode. In little bit changes in the online mode is there. Okay, In the online mode, 25 marks internal is there for the FC. It is as it is. You have to complete the project. You have to submit to the college. Okay. Then you will get a marks that you have to present that project. You will get a marks out of the 25. Then in the online mode, right now, the pattern is that the 50 marks examination is there and that converts to the 100. Okay, 50 marks examination is there, 50 multiple choice question will be there, all compulsory questions are there, and each MCQ is for the 1 marks, 50 marks, 50 MCQs are there for all the papers. It is a part of the online. But when the college starts in the November, then time permits, time decide what will be the pattern. If the regular classes are there, if the regular all these things happening, then the exam mode will be vary. Okay, right now it is online, but your exam maybe in the month of the at the end of the that particular December and in the start of the January. Okay, likewise आपका semester जो है that will get completes in the December. ओके, दिसंबर तक आपका सेमेस्टर चलने वाला है. एट द एंड और से इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द जनवरी दैट योर फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन विल बी देयर. ओके, whatever the circular coming, whatever the notification and the notice is coming from the university, we will supposed to communicate with you. वो जो कुछ भी चीजें जब जब वक्त पे हम आपको बताते हैं. ओके, now I will talk about which teacher is going to take which paper and all these things. You may aware of that क्योंकि आपको टीचमेंट की लिंक सारे टीचर ने भेजी होंगी, राइट? इन द केमिस्ट्री आपको 3 लिंक आए होंगे. We 3 teachers are going to engage with you. In the chemistry there are the 3 units. हर पेपर में 3 यूनिट्स है, पेपर 1 और पेपर 2 में 3 यूनिट्स है. तो यूनिट 1 ऑफ द पेपर 1 एंड यूनिट 1 ऑफ द पेपर 2 विल बी taught by myself. Okay, सबको नाम पता रहेगा. myself साजिद सर सबको पता है क्योंकि ऑलमोस्ट सब लोग यहाँ पे मुझे मिलके गए हैं. ओके, मैं आपका केमिस्ट्री 1 एंड केमिस्ट्री 2 का क्या लेने वाला हूँ, यूनिट 1. ओके, देन केमिस्ट्री 1 और केमिस्ट्री 2 का यूनिट 2 जो है दैट विल बी टॉट बाय द नितिन सर और से यू कैन कॉल पवार सर. उन्होंने भी आपको टीचमेंट की लिंक भेजी होंगी. Then unit 3 of the paper 1 and the paper 2 will be taught by that Shoaib sir. Okay, ऐसे 3 लोग केमिस्ट्री का लेने वाले. Now then the botany. अभी बॉटनी का सवाल है. बॉटनी में 2 टीचर लेंगे आपका. एक है समीक्षा मैडम, पेपर 1, पेपर 2 खराड़े मैडम. Then zoology, both the paper will taught by the Namira madam. Zoo 1 and the Zoo 2. And the physics again will taught by myself. Paper 1, paper 2, both the papers as well as the practicals will be taught by myself. Okay. Okay, this is the which teacher is going to engage with you that I brief you. Today I am also going to talk you that your attendance is very much important. Today the student who not supposed to join the class, please circulate that message on this app. We are getting the your attendance. Okay, कि आपकी attendance हमारे पास record हो जाती है and that we are using for your purpose. Attendance is very much important, though it is online or say offline. Okay, the student who not join it the Teachmeet app, please carry forward the message to your friends who were admitted in this class. They supposed to join this particular online platform Teachmeet for your class. 3 lectures are there per day, I think so. In the timetable it is given, and on the 2 days there are the 4 lectures. Test will be there. After completion of the one topic, there will be the test for the 10 marks. Same, the test will be generated on the Teachmeet app. You're supposed to write the answer on the page, and you are supposed to attach that copy to that particular test or assignment. ओके, टेस्ट कंपलसरी रहने वाला है. पहला टाइम भी आपको वहां पे दिया होगा. ऑल द टाइम टेबल एंड द सिलेबस, ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर सर्कुलेटेड विथ यू. If you have any query, any problem, you are free to contact to me. Okay, I am available on the WhatsApp. In your group is also there, or you can personally message that. Okay, if you have any problem, if you have any query, you can come to college also. Okay. I am available in the college also from 8 to 4. Okay, at any time you can turn to the college. Okay, and if you have any queries, any doubt, I will try my level best to resolve and solve that particular things. Okay, we have to collectively put all these efforts. I think so. You are that two that courses are going on. One is the spoken English and the soft skill, right? आप लोग ज्वाइन किए ना कोर्स को? Yes, anybody is saying
Yes, sir.
something.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, that
sir.
certificate you will get after the completion of this particular courses, you will get a certificate. Okay, please complete that course very well. Our teacher Samina madam and Sara madam is supposed to engage that. You should have to regularly attend that things. Okay, after the completion, I think so till the 15th of the October it will goes. And after the 15th, there will be the again exam on the complete module, and after that you will get the certificate for that. That all the things I think so that's they discuss with you today. Myself just sharing the screen. We will talk about the syllabus of the chemistry for my unit only. मैं जो कुछ भी यूनिट पढ़ाने वाला हूँ उसके बारे में हम syllabus डिस्कस करेंगे. The screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. First of all, I'm talking the syllabus of this paper 1 for this semester 1. See, syllabus is very much similar to your 12th syllabus. Huh? There is nothing different than this 12th. In the 12th, there is a wash syllabus for the chemistry. But here you can see the stipulated part is there, concise part is there in the BSc. Okay, आपने वहां पे 3 या 4 मार्क के लिए लेसन स्टडी किया होगा, बट यहाँ पे ये जो यूनिट है यू कैन केमिकल थर्मोडायनेमिक्स एंड केमिकल कैलकुलेशन ऐसा एक यूनिट बनता है. यूनिट 1 वो 33 मार्क्स का है. 100 मार्क्स की एग्जाम होती है तो नियर अबाउट 33 मार्क्स का वेटेज उसको एक यूनिट को है. ओके, तो लेट्स सी द सिलेबस. केमिकल थर्मोडायनेमिक्स इज देयर. अभी थर्मोडायनेमिक्स में बेसिक टर्म्स क्या क्या है? सिस्टम, सराउंडिंग, बाउंड्रीज, ओपन, क्लोज एंड आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम, इंटेंसिव एंड एक्सटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टीज, स्टेट फंक्शन, पाथ फंक्शन, जीरोथ लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स. ये सारे बेसिक टर्म्स है, बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स है दैट वी हैव टू सी. Then the first law of thermodynamics, as you very well aware of this, the first law of thermodynamics is based on the law of conservation of energy, as you all already know. Okay, concept of the heat we have to talk, work, internal energy. Then the statement of the first law, enthalpy, relation between the heat capacities, sign conventions. Then calculation of the heat, work, internal energy and the enthalpy, and the numerical based on this particular part we have to discuss. मतलब कि वर्क कैसे निकालेंगे, enthalpy कैसे निकालेंगे, internal energy कैसे calculate करेंगे, that numericals are there. Then thermochemistry is there. In that we have how to study heat of reaction, standard state, enthalpy of formation of molecule, enthalpy of combustion and its application, calculation of bond energy, bond dissociation energy, resonance energy from the thermochemical data. Then the Kirchhoff's equation, again the numerical based on this part we have to study. ये है आपका 10 लेक्चर्स का छोटा सा चैप्टर केमिकल थर्मोडायनेमिक्स. 5 लेक्चर वाला दूसरा टॉपिक है कि ये वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है आज फॉर एज द केमिस्ट्री इज कंसर्न. जैसे कि प्रैक्टिकल पर्पस, प्रैक्टिकल व्यू अगर आप देखेंगे तो प्रैक्टिकल पर्पस और प्रैक्टिकल व्यू से ये बहुत वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट है कि नॉर्मेलिटी हम सॉल्यूशन यूज करते हैं कि नॉर्मल सॉल्यूशन रहता है, मोलल सॉल्यूशन रहता है, मोलाल रहता है. ओके, आपको कुछ समझा नहीं तो हम लैब में जब प्रैक्टिकल के टाइम पे रहेंगे तब आपको सारी चीजें फिर से एक बार दोहराएंगे और समझाएंगे. Expressing concentration of solution, normality, molality, molarity, formality, mole fraction, weight ratio, volume ratio, weight to volume ratio, ppm, ppb, millimoles, milliequivalents, इसके ऊपर बेस्ड न्यूमेरिकल. जैसे कि कन्वर्जन फैक्टर रहेगा, नॉर्मल सॉल्यूशन बनाना है तो कैसे बनाएंगे, ऑल दिस थिंग्स वी विल इन द डिटेल वी विल डिस्कस इन दैट पर्टिकुलर एट द टाइम ऑफ द एक्चुअल पार्ट. जब हम एक्चुअल पार्ट स्टडी करेंगे तब वी आर सपोज टू see that. Okay, this is the unit 1 of the paper 1. okay, ये मेरे मतलब अभी नोटबुक लगाते समय आप एक ही नोटबुक पेपर 1 को रखेंगे, उसके 3 पार्ट करेंगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके, this is an semester 1 paper 2 unit 1. Chemical kinetics is there. In that, rate of reaction, rate constant, measurement of the reaction rates, order, molecularity, then integrated rate equation for the first order, second order reactions with equal initial concentration of reactants and numerical based on this part. Then determination of order of reaction by integration method, graphical method, Ostwald isolation method, half time method. ये 4 मेथड से ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं, दैट वी हैव टू सी. ये छोटा पार्ट है केमिकल काइनेटिक्स. बाद में लिक्विड स्टेट है, ये भी सारी चीजें आपने स्टडी की. सरफेस टेंशन, ओके, मेथड ऑफ डिटरमिनेशन ऑफ द सरफेस टेंशन बाय द ड्रॉप नंबर मेथड, विस्कोसिटी, विस्कोसिटी कोएफिशिएंट, रिलेटिव विस्कोसिटी, स्पेसिफिक विस्कोसिटी, रिड्यूस्ड विस्कोसिटी, डिटरमिनेशन ऑफ द विस्कोसिटी बाय द ओस्टवाल्ड विस्कोमीटर. ओके, ये भी बहुत सिंपल है और ये एक्सपेरिमेंट तो टीवाई में परफॉर्म भी करते हैं केमिस्ट्री वाले बच्चे लोग. ये विस्कोसिटी से मेजरमेंट से मॉलिक्यूलर वेट वगैरह डिटरमाइन भी करते हैं. रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स, ये सारे पार्ट है. आप बोलेंगे कि फिजिक्स में भी दिखाई देंगे आपको ये पार्ट, ऐसे में 12th में फिजिक्स में भी रहेगा. विस्कोसिटी, सरफेस टेंशन, रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स. ओके, देन रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स अगेन मोलर रिफ्रैक्शन एंड पोलराइजेबिलिटी, डिटरमिनेशन ऑफ द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स बाय द एबेज रिफ्रैक्टोमीटर, उसके ऊपर भी न्यूमेरिकल्स हमें देखना है. लिक्विड क्रिस्टल इंट्रोडक्शन, देयर क्लासिफिकेशन, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द थर्मोट्रोपिक फेजेस. अब ये 3 तरह के लिक्विड क्रिस्टल रहते हैं, नेमेटिक, नेमेटिक, स्मेक्टिक एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर क्लोस्टेरिक फेजेस. एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द लिक्विड क्रिस्टल्स दैट वी हैव टू स्टडी इन डिटेल. ओके, जैसे कि थ्योरी का पार्ट चालू होगा तब मैं वन बाय वन वी विल सी इन डिटेल. ये अपना सिलेबस ये सेमेस्टर के लिए है, पेपर 1 का यूनिट 1 और पेपर 2 का यूनिट 1. ओके, आपका कंफ्यूजन कुछ नहीं रहेगा, ऐसे मैं समझता हूँ. इफ यू एनी डाउट यू कैन डिस्कस, यू कैन आस्क. सानिका बिरवाड़कर इज सेइंग सर स्क्रीन इज ब्लर. Okay, beta, that syllabus is circulated with you. Sometime due to the network or connectivity problem, that screen looking the blur like that. Okay, during the lecture time, you should have to sit at such a place where the connectivity is strong. Okay, please try to that particular things. Okay, here I discuss the syllabus of all these things, pattern of the examination, and how you have to go through the different things that I said. If anybody has any query, any doubt, they can ask.